NFTs has been buzzing on the internet for some time now, and I'm pretty sure you've been hearing about it lately. People are making millions, and sometimes you're like, why are people spending millions on a toy? That's what mostly some people say is like a toy, and you don't see the sense. So, in less than maybe 60 seconds or 120 seconds, I'm going to briefly explain to you. NFT simply means non-fungible token. Yep, non-fungible, which means they are not changeable. So, let me give you a practical example. You see, when you buy land, you are given a document which shows ownership of that land. So basically, in some sense, when you're buying the land, you are not actually buying the land, you are buying the paper, the deeds, that shows ownership of that land. You can't swap it, which you all know, because I'm living in Sawam, so let's say I can't take a land that I own in Sawam, pick up the papers and come to you, someone living in somewhere Accra or wherever in the world that you might be, and you're seeing this video. I can't bring my papers and swap it for your land that you own. Why? Because your land has its own value, its own uniqueness. So therefore, we can't just swap papers. Even just like we human beings, my parents just can't come to your parents and be like, I've seen your kid, I love your kid, so can we swap? No, it doesn't work that way. Why? Because we are non-fungible. We have our own uniqueness, value. It varies regardless. Even within the same family, each single one of us has its own uniqueness. So therefore, we are non-fungible. So that's simply the terms. Non-fungible tokens are tokens, that are not changeable. Unlike money, which is fungible. Yep, we all know money is fungible, because I can take $1,000 from you and give you maybe two $500, which is still equivalent to $1,000. So it's a fungible token, just like Bitcoin. One BTC is worth one BTC. One ETH is worth one ETH. Like so forth. They are fungible tokens, so therefore they can be changed anytime. So that's basically what NFT simply means. And they are stored on the blockchain. And you might be wondering, what is a blockchain? I'm going to keep that in the next video. So subscribe and follow for more videos like this. Peace.